Delaying your first engineering hire could cost you big time. 6 months can mean wasted resources and a missed opportunity for 500 Kali in revenue. Let's break down the signs that it's time to pull the trigger on that critical hire. Founders often think they can do it all, but underestimating the complexity of their product is a rookie mistake. Many non-technical founders hire freelancers, believing it's a quick fix. They fail to realize that those freelancers may lack the commitment or expertise necessary to truly make it work. A report indicates that startups making the wrong engineering hire face a 50% higher chance of scaling problems. For instance, a tech startup in the health sector brought on a freelancer for $30K to develop their app, only to find it riddled with bugs and delays. This misstep cost them not only time, but also a potential $1 million contract with a major healthcare provider. This is the kind of bad call we see every week at GotYourTech.ai. Additionally, a company like Airbnb faced similar challenges early on, where they struggled with scaling their platform due to inadequate engineering resources. They learned the hard way that hiring too quickly without the right processes in place can lead to chaos. The lesson here is clear. Hiring the right talent is crucial to avoid pitfalls that can derail your growth. So assess your needs carefully before making that hire. A well-timed decision can save you from costly setbacks that can easily set you back $250 or more in lost opportunities. You need to know when it's time to hire that first engineer. First off, if your users are constantly asking for new features or pointing out problems, that's your cue. It means your product needs help, and fast. For example, when Notion saw a spike in user requests for integrations, they quickly onboarded engineers to enhance their platform, resulting in a 40% increase in user retention. This was a direct response to user feedback, showcasing the importance of agility in hiring. Second, take a hard look at your current workload. If you or your team are drowning in tasks, it's definitely time to bring someone on board. A startup founder I know, who runs a SaaS company, realized they were spending over 60 hours a week on support tickets alone. After hiring their first engineer for $80K, they managed to automate many processes and free up time for strategic growth, leading to a $2.3 million increase in annual revenue. Lastly, trust your gut when it comes to these decisions. You'll make tough calls like this every week at GotYourTech.ai. Keep these indicators in mind, and you'll be setting yourself up for success. Remember, the right timing can lead to exponential growth, while waiting too long can cost you dearly. Companies like Stripe, which grew rapidly due to timely hires, exemplify how crucial it is to act decisively when the signs are clear. Their strategic hires led to a 50% growth in user base within just 1 year. Timing can either launch your startup or doom it. If you want a hand figuring out when to pull the trigger on hiring, go to GotYourTech.ai. You'll get real-world advice on bringing in the right tech support and making your first engineering hire without wasting time. Don't wait until the moment gone to make these key decisions that can shape your startup's path.